What is a certified studio or print lab, and what can it guarantee? An archival fine art print is obtained by applying pigment inks on archival fine art papers. The process involves color management and personalized customer attention. The leading worldwide enterprises that produce archival fine art papers have developed rigorous international programs to certify studio or print labs. We talk about Hahnemühle, Canson, and ILFORD. These accreditation programs focus on printing excellence and the use of archival materials. Accreditation results from an evaluation. The studio or lab should ensure consistency, reproducibility, and adherence to strict control measures. Printing in a certified studio or print lab guarantees expert image editing and printing guidance. A long-lasting conservation print is another significant result. In the current technological conditions, a fine art print might reach a lifespan of several hundred years if preserved and treated as an artwork. The paper doesn't change color, nor do the inks vanish. A high-quality art print satisfies the expectations of artists, art collectors, and international museums. Yes, it can be a durable, collectible piece.